Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can activate dark theme on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on dark, like on Facebook, you want to go to right top corner, to your menu, and then you're going to see your profile and everything. You want to scroll down below, and then under settings and privacy right here, you're going to see dark mode. Let's click on it, and you just click on here. And voila, this is how you do it. Also, I think you need to have installed Messenger to activate this, but this is how we do it. So this is how we can activate dark mode on Facebook in 2021. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. If this video was helpful, you can support me with subscribe. I will be really thankful for it. So again, you are in a home, then go to the right top corner to the menu. Then you need to scroll down below, and you're going to see settings and privacy, and then you're going to see dark mode, and you just press on. So this is how you do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.